Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to handle NSF checks in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually locate the original payment. So you come here at the top, you click on Customers, okay? Go to Customer Center, and you want to first, find the customer who issued the bad check. So I'll click on this one right here, okay? So you just go ahead and open the payment that will open up this one. Just double click on it. We'll open the payment, okay, that was returned. So you just double click, on the payment transaction. So we have this one right here, just use as an example. And you have two main ways to handle the NSF check, okay? So, by the way, if you don't know what an NSF check is, it's also known as a bounced or returned check. Means your customer's payment did not clear the bank due to insufficient funds. So, two ways to go about this. You can either use the record the bounced check feature. This is actually available in QuickBooks Enterprise, and it automates most of the steps. So the first thing you can do is just open the customer payment that was bounced. And then from the top toolbar, you just go ahead and, click on record bounce check. Okay. You do that. And in the bounce check window, you just fill in the bank fee amount, the fee your bank charged you, the date, the expense account, the customer fee, and then you just review the summary. And then you click on finish. And QuickBooks will automatically create a journal entry to reverse the payment for you. Okay, and it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.